kids, welcome back to
Hey Toys.
And today is the 21st of December. That means we only have 4 days to go until
Christmas.
Yay! Are you excited and getting more and more excited every day, are you?
Yes.
Yes. So, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna open door number 21 today?
Yes, we're going to get Santa Claus this time.
I know, we're still looking for Santa Claus. Oh dear. How about you kids? Do you have an advent calendar? Why don't you open door number 21 with us? Want to do it now?
Yes.
Okay, where's door number 21? It's right there, door number 21. Let's open it.
Not 22.
No, not 22, 21.
No,
Okay, we have to move these aside.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's me going to train. Okay, we're going to next train.
Do you want to open it? It's another train track!
It's my right here.
Another train track! Where are we gonna put it? We're gonna put it here. Wow, we have another train track. We are definitely gonna have a very long train track now, aren't we? Okay, how many train tracks do we have now? A lot. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 train tracks. Okay, so why don't we count all of the surprises that we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21! 21 surprises! Oh my goodness, that is a lot of surprises. Oh dear, they're all falling off the floor. How about you kids? What kind of surprise did you get today? Please leave us a comment below and let us know. And join us again tomorrow for another Advent Calendar surprise. Bye!
We're finished.
Subscribe for more videos. And if you like this one, give it a thumbs up and share.